There are two more types of data or variables that you should be familiar with while learning web development. The first is an array. You can think of an array as storing a list of variables or values. This is particularly useful for grouping similar data together or simply listing things. In this case, this name array is storing 3 names. But how do we access a single value inside the array? Each value is assigned an index starting from 0. We can use this index to access each specific value stored in our array, as shown here. The second important data type is called a JSON object. You can think of this as very similar to an array, but instead of each value being stored with an assigned index, it is assigned a word or a string. However, when creating an object, a JSON object looks very different from an array and uses this syntax instead. To summarize, both arrays and objects are variable types that store many pieces of data. Arrays are usually used to store collections of data or lists, whereas objects are usually used to store properties of an object. They're both widely used in their own ways.